Good morning. So today is our last day here in Khajuraho, and right now I'll get ready because we're going to visit the most beautiful city here in India. We're going to Jaipur. It's alright, it just looks good.
Huh?
It looks very good, it looks very clean. It was raining yesterday also.
Yeah. Like a morning marathon.
We are at the train station, as you can see. All these cows waiting for me. What happens? It's alright then. Okay man, thank you so much. Okay man, take care man. Can you see the surrounding? It's full of cows. But what I like about the design of the train station itself, that they have these domes that resemble the temples. And now I'm going to platform number 1. This is a platform that I'm going to take my train from. And let's go. right now it's 8:20 and I'm supposed to wait my train here. My train supposed to come at 9:25 or something. So yeah, I'm early as always. Better early than late. And yeah, I will be in that train I think for 13 hours till we arrive to my favorite city, to Jaipur. Jaipur, this is how to say it, the most beautiful city in Rajasthan or in India. Well, anyway, it will be quite a long trip, but as always I booked myself a sleeper, and yeah, we're going to explore the train and everything. Let's see. Well, I have been waiting for my train, platform number 1, and then it turns out that it is platform number 3. It was standing there all the time, but then was hidden by another train, and now I have to climb to go to platform number 3, and then I will find my, how to say it, my couch, my seat ready for me. Just going to travel from here to there, but I like that this train, the color of this train is orange. Beautiful color. Oh. So yeah, it's 5:24. This is, which is this is S4. And yeah, this is S5 over there. You can see. Khajuraho to Udaipur, sorry, to Udaipur city. Going to Khajuraho, then it's 19666. Going to Udaipur city is 19665. So yeah, my seat is there. This is 24.
भजी आपका कौड़ी का भजी आपका कौड़ी बिना प्याज लहसुन वाला चलो भजी
And sadly, there is only one electricity terminal here. I don't have another one out there. So yeah. For the moment, we'll stay here. So let me take you now on a tour inside the train. Can you see? Here you have the seats. This is like the upper, and this one in the middle can get like that, and then attach it as a bed. And this is the third. So you have like 3 seats here. But the problem of this side, that the distance between the seat and the roof is so narrow, so you can't sit properly. We have also water source here. We have a mirror also, and also the like washrooms inside. Over here, this is the view over the train station. So in this side you have only 2 seats, the upper one and the lower one. Mine is the upper, and the good thing in this side that you have enough distance between the seat and the roof, so you can sit properly. And even this is your seat, but during the day you can also come down and sit here, because there is like 24. So during the day you have 24 this one as a seat, and you have this one during the night as a bed. That's why I always book side upper, because it gives you like 2 seats. This is the only way to get 2 seats and to use them anytime as you want. And also if you want food during the day or tea or something, you can have also tea. Hey bachcha, ek chai.
चार चाय लगाए चुके। तू बताओ क्या कह रहा है? अचू नहीं कह रहा है। बताओ। चाय नहीं बेचे? चाय नहीं, हाँ चाय नहीं। अगर चाय लेते हैं, चाय नहीं है तो जाओ पानी चढ़ा जाए क्या? अरे यार तो चाय तो हम चढ़ाए थे पानी, फिर तुम्हें ले नहीं देना चावल, इसको याद रखो। तो भैया हमें चाय तो लगा लेने दादा।
Trying to find a way to take my camera. I don't know, I can't stick it really here. It's very sad. Yeah, here we can now raincoat it. Oh, this tea is very good, because like I think it's a correct tea, and it's very good. And yes, during the day there will be like food sellers from selling different kind of food, and whatever you want you can just take. I think they're still fighting which seat. They're still fighting about the seats. But anyway, we found our seat. I will enjoy my tea, and let's check what will happen in this trip. A very classic morning in the train station, right? Just waiting for our train to depart. Very classic. Chai, cow. So yeah, we are waiting.
एक पानी, कोलेक, चिप्स, नमकीन, बिस्किट, केक, छाछ, लस्सी, दूध।
And yeah, if we need a chips or something, or a biscuit, or a tea, or whatever you want, we'll find it here. And in a couple of moments we're supposed to leave Khajuraho for good and go to the pink city, to the Gulabi city, to Jaipur. I love this song. This is a train station song. So about this ticket, I bought this ticket for 380, and we're supposed to travel for a distance, my distance, till from here to Jaipur to be like 628 kilometers. And actually this is the cheapest ticket you can get in the sleeper section over here from Khajuraho to Jaipur, because it's like it goes from Khajuraho to Udaipur and crosses Jaipur, but you gotta book it somehow like relatively early. And yeah, it is very good. Can you see our train is moving and I'm not inside? Get on the train, baby. Alright. Moving. Come on, do it. You can do it. तुझे देखा तो ये जाना सनम, प्यार होता है दीवाना सनम. Oh, I see. Yeah, our train is raining. Now we are leaving Khajuraho for good. Goodbye. Goodbye, Khajuraho. Goodbye. तुझे देखा तो ये जाना सनम, प्यार होता है दीवाना सनम, अब यहाँ से कहाँ जाए हम, सनम ले जाऊंगा. Yes, you know the cow. The cow was there in the song, right? Yeah? No, just take a video. No, make a video.
You're not Indian. You are not Indian.
No, I'm not Indian.
From where?
From Egypt.
Egypt.
Egypt, yes. Yes, man. Misr, yeah, exactly. So yeah, and that's how we started our journey.
Now you are departing for Jaipur?
Yeah, I'm going to Jaipur. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
And Jodhpur.
Jodhpur.
Yeah, Jaisalmer, of course. Yeah.
Okay.
Well, and you are going to Jaipur also?
I'm from Jodhpur.
Jodhpur, very beautiful.
That's something.
Sunset, that's a Jodhpur. Some people say sunset, some say blue city. And blue city.
What Nagri from Golden City. Jaisalmer.
Jaisalmer, Golden City, yeah, exactly. So yeah, we officially started our trip. We officially started our trip. So yeah, let's go arrange our bed and just relax, just rest.
Hello.
Hello?
आपकी सीट कौन सी है? आपकी सीट कौन सी है?
ये वाला.
कौन सा?
आप ये क्या कर रहे हो?
ये मैम.
आप इसमें क्या बना रहे हो? वीडियो? क्या कर रहे हो इससे?
वीडियो बनाता हूँ.
तो आप इस सीटों के पीछे क्या देखे आप?
क्या?
इस सीट को यूं उठा के देखा था ना आपने?
What do you see behind the seat? What do you see behind the seat?
What do I see
What do you see?
behind the seat? Why should I see behind the seat? I take videos for me.
This seat.
इसको ऐसे हटा के देखा था आपने?
You flap the seat na?
Yeah, I was just checking the seat.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, no, don't worry. I was just seeing the seat. No, just think.
हेलो रिया में हुआ डाल डाल पकड़ा है जो
Excuse me. No, I will open the fan. Oh, don't worry. Can you open the fan? The fan. But here is hot. Here is hot. Okay, just because the every. So I think we'll get taller. So yeah, already I have, this is a pillow and this is a blanket over here, and just like that I have everything I need. Just let me close my bag properly. And yeah, I'll just make my bed over here in this section and ready to sleep till we reach Jaipur. So yeah, what happened, there was that lady who was so curious. Okay, now the fan is working. Okay, just keep it like that. I don't know who is sticking something like that. It's the fan. Yes. So the lady saw me checking like the seats, reviewing the seats, and she was so curious. What are you doing to the seats? That's what she told me, and she wanted to know what I'm doing to the seats. I actually was like, I couldn't understand her. But yeah, like you get to be curious sometimes. Anyway, right now we are in my special seat, and I like the seat because I'm here, I'm isolated completely. I have water over there behind this one. I have water, I have cold drink, and in case I need food, I will get food from the sellers who are selling all over. And the best thing to do is to sleep, and I will definitely sleep. I got myself also samosa from here, and they sell you 2 pieces for 20 rupees. So yeah, I think we're also having our breakfast, and there's a guy here in the tray. He just, I can't stop looking at me. So yeah, here we have a cold drink. So yeah, we're living like a king here in my seat in the train. So, just trying to prove my point. I tried to tell you that the side upper is the best place, right? Okay, so now, look with me. This side, okay, for example, okay, some are using the middle one as a bed, and some are not using it, okay. So in case you're using it as a bed, the people in the first bunk will not be able to sit at all. Everyone has to sleep. And in case you're using it as a seat, the lower one, the lower bunk as a seat, no one will be, the one who has the middle bunk will not be able to sleep. So it's just a crazy thing. That's why the upper side is the best place. Now, for example, on the side in the corridor of the train, like everyone is walking, everyone is talking, but this is the most private part here in the train. Like whatever happens down there happen. I'm just in my zone. I'm just no problem. I will get my food. I had my samosa. Garam samosa biscuit. Garam samosa biscuit char. Das kedel. That like buy 10 rupees or buy 4 for 20 rupees. And actually, yes, he said garam samosa, like hot samosa, and yes, it is hot. He serves it hot. I had 2 samosas here as a breakfast, and seriously, it was delicious. And I had Miranda also, and I have my Bello here. And yeah, sometimes I will sleep, sometimes I will just wake up. Sadly, in this point, there is no good network. That's why my friend is very bored. He's very bored. This guy is very bored. Very bored. He can't find any network.
I have no network.
So yeah, he wants to use his social media. He can't. So yeah, it is what it is. There is nothing to do.
एसी में बात कर लो, मिल सकती है। एसी में नहीं किया, एसी में बात कर लो, उधर दूसरे इधर कौन कौन सा नंबर है भैया? भाई सीट नंबर कौन कौन सा है?
Number 8, number 24.
मोहम्मद अनवर।
Muhammad Anwar. Yes.
सिंगल?
Yes, single.
कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, शांति है, सुशीला है। आपके साथ शांति है, सुशीला।
Hey, what's up? It's 2 o'clock right now, 2 p.m. and the train is getting really crowded. Right now we just arrived to the station, Jhansi, and we still have Gwalior and Agra, and after Agra we will start our way to Rajasthan. So yeah, we have like exactly the same distance between Jhansi to Khajuraho. It will be the same distance between Jhansi to Gwalior, and from Gwalior to Agra, and from Agra to Jaipur. But I think because of the nature of the geography between Khajuraho and Jhansi, that's why the time was taking much longer time to reach from there. But yeah, the train now is really getting so crowded and is being filled, especially by those who are going to be between stations, between near stations. That's why so sometimes people just coming and asking, searching for their seats, but I didn't know, like all the seats are already there. We are in our seats, so we're safe. Right now it's 5:30 and we are about to reach Udaipur, and I have with myself very cool friends around the train. Sometimes people come and ask me, hey, are you bored? Are you okay? And give me some advices about my travel. Where are you going? You should go there, you should go there. India is safe, India is like this, India is like that. Everything's online. If you feel troubled, you can go to is a tourist bully section and many advices. Some offered me food, but most of the time I'm just sitting like that, trying to relax. Anyway, I love traveling by train. Maybe train travel is not for everyone, but for me, I don't really get bored here. And I enjoy watching the life, I enjoy looking at the people. And as I told you, I choose myself the most private section inside the train. So it's very difficult to say that I can get bored. And yeah, once we go to Agra, then we will go directly to Jaipur and start my new adventure. And I can't wait for Jaipur. So yeah, it's just I will keep updating you. And that's how we finally arrived to Jaipur, and I managed to find the rickshaw. Right now it is almost 12.
I am tuk-tuk driver.
Yeah, he's the driver. And right now we're going to the hotel, and yeah, then I will start exploring Jaipur. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in my next destination.
So you going Horanoke? So it's a hotel, it's like hostel like that.
Yeah, it's a hospital.
Hostel. I meet like